Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. First of all, offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Gurupad Padma, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Bhaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satamad Bhakti Vedanta, Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satamad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Prishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satyamanand Bhakti Vedanta Srila Madhusan Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and presented of my respectful guest. So now we are observing Purushottam Vrat, and especially last few days we try to observe the Purushottam Vrat in Purushottam Dham, Jagannath Puri, and especially Jayasri Damodar Gaudiya Math, our Gurudev departed from this material world. So, so Gurudev, this temple, we are now in here, and in few days, last few days of we also observe this Purushottam Vrat. Because our scriptures also explain this Purushottam Vrat is very important, because every year this Purushottam is not coming, and only after about 3 years Purushottam Vrat is coming. Kartik Vrat or Niyam Sabha Vrat every year are coming. So we are very fortunate. We are here in Purushottam Khetra and Purushottam Vrat, and nearby, very close to the ocean also, and especially in Chakratirtha, very close to Chakratirtha, we also hear, and our Shastra also explain Chakratirtha, Sargadar, Shetaganga, Markandeya, or Indra Sarovar. And in these 5 tirthas, that is called in Purushottam Khetra. And even in Shastra also explained in this way, Markandeya Abate Akrishne Rohini Mahadadhu Indradumne Narasnata Punarjanma na Vidyate. That means Markandeya Sarovar, Shetaganga, Rohini Kunda, or Mahasamudra and Indradumna Sarovar. In these 5 Mahatirtha, if you take bath, and again you will not come in this material world. And especially we are very close to Chakratirtha also there. And Gurudev most of the time, and he was looking and remembering the pastimes of Chakratirtha, and especially Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And when he was staying in Gambhira, and he completely absorbed in Mahabhav, Dibbonumad Dasa. Sometimes Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he came out from Gambhira and jumped in the water of the ocean, because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking this ocean is as like Jamuna. And he was floating over the water of the Jamuna and coming very close to Chakratirtha. And because another lila also Gurudev explained, he got Chakra Tirtha. That is called the Chakra Tirtha. Tirtha means that is called Chakra, means that is called topmost also. And so Krishna, there are many leelas of Krishna, and but Krishna's last leela is called Chakra Tirtha also. And Chakra is there. That means though Krishna performed many kinds of leela, but his Ras Leela, that is called topmost leela. And Krishna himself told, when I remember my others leelas, but when I completely remember the Leelas of Ras Leela. That time I cannot control myself. I completely was absorbed and so many kinds of ecstatic mood coming in my heart. So actually Chakra Tirtha or that is called the crowns and jewels of all the Leelas. That is Chakra Tirtha. That is because Krishna performed Ras dance with the gopis. eh, and many kinds of they are dancing in there. Also Krishna dance with the gopis and, and going one gopis to one gopis very quickly, as like very and quickly he goes one gopis to another gopis. Or Krishna is Bhagavan, Yogeshwara Krishna. So Krishna manifested many forms and he also performed Leela Ras dance with the gopis. But Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad and those who are the Madhurya Ras, for this regard they may understand. Krishna and he goes to the gopis, one gopi to another gopis very quickly. And just to give an example, if you put the fire on stick, wooden stick, and that is called firebrand, and you also to moving very quickly, you can see one circle, and circle there means chakra also. So Krishna's chakra tirtha means actual Krishna's Rasa Leela is there. And so when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu absorbed in ecstatic mood of Srimati Radhika, then Srimati Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, I am Radha. Now I am meeting with my beloved Krishna in Rasa dance. And because this is the topmost lila also. And Anugraha Bhaktanang Manusang Dehamasitam. So Krishna, he manifested his topmost lila from Golok Vrindavan to in this material world. Why? Because conditional soul, they have no idea about Parakya lila, Parakya bhav. Parakya bhavi jatha brajit prachar. Gopi's mood, that is called Parakya's mood. Without Parakya Paramur mood, Parakya means Paramur mood. Without Paramur mood, it's impossible to perform the Rasa Leela. Krishna, he was staying in Dwarka. There also 60,108 queens are there. But Krishna did not perform Rasa Leela with the gopis. Why? Because the queens of Dwarka, there is mood is called Sakya mood. Sakya mood means that is a mood of relation between wife and husband. And that inside when the wife and husband, and that time there is some opulence mood is higher or we are lower. But Parakya mood, gopis they never think Krishna is higher than us. This is really important. Tumi kon bada lok, ami tumi sama. Priya jodi man kari kare bhatsan vedastuti hoite mor hare mor man. In this Parakya bhav, gopis have 4 weapons. In these 4 weapons, they also control to Krishna. That is called Bammata. Bammata means that is left wings mood. Bammata. Durlavata. Very rare to meet with Krishna. Prachanna Kamukata. That is called they are transcendental lust in cover and hidden way. Or Prachanna Kamukata, Nivarnata, Durlavata, Bammata. In this way, Nivaranata. Nivaranata means they also stopped with their family's member and superiors, as like their father, mother, or their husband. And so for this regard, they come to attain to Krishna very easy. For this regard, they have so much eagerness, utkanta, how to meet with Krishna. So now coming in this way, just I also explain when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was staying in Gambhira, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking these types of pastimes of Krishna. And then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu jumped in the water of the ocean and floating and coming in this place. And Then Sarup Damodar, he also find out Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And so many Leelas pastimes also go there. So and Chakratirtha also another in the beginning of the creation, Satyayuga, Indradumna Maharaj, he also got 5 logs, wooden logs and here, and he also manifested and the Vigraha, Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra and Sudarshan also is here. 4 logs. 4 logs is here. And Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra and Sudarshan. And this Chakratirtha is very important and place and here also nearby also one deity that is called Hanuman Bedi, Bedi Hanuman. Lord Jagannath, he called to Hanuman, you also God in this place. The waves of ocean maybe destroy my dham, so you have to stay here. So Hanuman, he was staying in this place with his clubs. But when in Ayodhya, the devotees, they offered the laddu, then Hanuman ran away in Ayodhya. Then Lord Jagannath and also went and brought him and also bind with the क्या बोलते हैं and sickle sickle के द्वारा उनको बांध करके रखा, श्रृंखला करके रखा. And so for this regard, therefore Bedi Hanuman also in this here and here Hanuman is also called the Darya Mahavir. And Darya means that is called the ocean. Mahavir means that Hanuman ji. So Hanuman ji also here. But those who are devotees of Madhurya Ras, they are not give attention of these things. They always absorbed about Chakratirtha and how Lord manifested very nice, beautiful his separation mood. Jagannath means is what? Jagannath is called the feeling separation from Krishna. Srimati Radhika. Gauragovinda Maharaj Goswami explained in Jagannath Puri, and always you can see 2 Virahi. One is Krishna Viraha Vidur Radha, or Radha Viraha Vidur Krishna. Then Krishna is feeling pang of separation from Srimati Radhika. Here Radha means Chaitanya Mahaprabhu absorbed in the mood of Srimati Radhika. And Patikhane Apunare Bhave Radha. Every moment Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was thinking, I am Radha. And now my beloved has gone Vrindavan to Mathura. So he is now feeling separation from Krishna. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that means Srimati Radhika, he feels pang of separation from Krishna. Or Krishna, he feels pang of separation from Radha. So Radha Viraha Vidur Krishna, or Krishna Viraha Vidur Radha. And in our Shastra also explain the sadhak, in the sadhak stage, they have to always absorb to separation mode. And because without separation mode, we cannot attain our perfection goal. And as like given example, and how we'll get the pure gold. The gold, there are so many kinds of what is called mixture in there, but that gold you again put in the fire, then gold will be what? Neat and clean, and pure gold you will get. In the same way, separation means is what? Separation purifies the heart of the devotee also. Or this separation, that is called the Nobina Vipralambena Sambhog Pushti Masnute. Without separation, meditation, what is called, the meeting will not realizable. So for this regard, our Shastra also explain in sadhaka have to always feeling separation from Krishna. And even an ordinary sadhak also feel separation. I am the servant of Krishna, Jivet Sarupa Krishna Nityadas. And now I am far from Krishna. So always feel separation from Krishna and crying for Krishna. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu giving this instruction, how will cry for Krishna. So for this regard, Gaur Govind Goswami Maharaj explained, Gaudiya mission means that is called crying mission. Crying mission means how will cry for Krishna. And conditional soul, they are crying for mundane things. And, but those who are the devotees of Lord, spiritual life means always cry for Krishna. And then all our unearthas will be removed from our heart. And then our heart will be neat and clean. And Kandiya Kandiya. And so Kandiya Kandiya means Gurudev Kripana Hoile Kandiya Kandiya Pranana Rakiva. So that means if I not receive the mercy of Lord, then I will cry, then I will give up my body. Kandiya 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 Tumara Chorane Poriyachi Subhyo. So in this way, sadhak stage also cry for Krishna, or even in Siddha also cry for Krishna. Viraha, because Viraha is the cause of meeting or realizable. So we are very lucky, we are here, and remembering pastimes of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested his lila, that is called Gambhira lila. And Gambhira means Gambhira means very deep. Gambhir. Radhikar Prema Gambhir. Rakshimati Radhika's prem, love is very, very deep. Prema Gambhir. And what is the prema of Gambhir? That is called Sneha, Man, Pranay, Rag, Unurag, Bhav, Mahabhav, then Ruda, Udhiruda, Mohan, and Madanakha Mahabhav. And even Brahma, Shiv, they cannot attain this type of highest mode. जो ब्रह्म सुख नारद भीष्म लक्ष्य रालकित नसत पुरुषोत्तम सद्दो विशुगुण अनंत शक्तिम राधिका चरण रेणु अनुस्मरामि. So in this verse also explaining Brahma, Shiv, Narad, all they are hankering. How to receive? One, the sprinkle dust of Krishna. And now Krishna is also always hankering how to meet with Srimati Radhika. So this that means Radha Tattva is very, very confidential. And Radha Prem also very, very confidential. So Radhika Prema Radhika Prema Gambhir Jeva Jane Mahadhir. So one who knows Radhika Prem is very, very deep and performing bhajan and sadhan, and then he will be qualified to enter in Prema Bhakti. So in Jagannath Puri, we have come Jagannath Puri, remembering the pastimes of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu only he is the donor to distribute the highest prem. And Prem Dhan Dhani, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is called Prema Dhana Dhani. So only Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he can give us the highest prem of Braj. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he was staying in Gambhira, in Jagannath Puri, and day and night absorbed the pang of separation from Srimati Krishna. Then Sarup Damodar and Rayananda pacified to him. And so that is very important place, and remembering sweet pastimes of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and also Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to worship the transcendental body of Haridas Thakur. When Haridas Thakur departure from this material world, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu felt pang of separation from him, and he took his transcendental body and worship in ocean with his own hands. Then he gave the samadhi with his hand. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself declared, this ocean is called now Mahatirtha. And Mahatirtha. And one is called Tirtha, and is called Mahatirtha. And especially in Jagannath Puri, and this ocean, if you touch the water of the ocean, then your life will be successful. And Mahadadu. So Jagannath Puri and mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and especially separation mode day and night. For this regard of beloved Gurudev, he discovered his Aprakat Lila in this place, and day and night he also remembered to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's this Vipralambha Bhav. Gaur Premanandi Hari Hari. Okay, I'll not take too much of your time. Because next class, Hindi class also. And okay, thank you. Hari Bol. Okay, today is very short class because today also Ekadashi. And,
Dandavat pranam, Gurudev.
how are you?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes, I'm okay. Thank you for the lecture. Do you have time to greet the devotees, or are you going right now?
No, I will talk with the Chinese devotees. Then all
Chinese, yes, I will.
yes, they also ask for some confidence.